Thank y'all so much for coming. We just wanted to take this time on this beautiful day to recognize someone who is so special to us at LSU in general, but especially for the School of Allied Health. Dr. Muslow, for each of us here, probably has a very special touch that he put on each of our lives. He was always looking and thinking about others. He was never very self-centered at all. He was never focused on himself. And that's his legacy. It's just unbelievable, the love, the compassion that he had for this place, for his patients, for the students, and for the faculty here as well. We wanted to do something a little bit different, and so one of the things we got for him in memory of Dr. Muslow was this bench here, because we do have a lot of patients that are waiting for rides, or they arrive early, and it just gives them a beautiful, quiet, and peaceful place to rest.
The bench is such a signal of Dr. Muslow's support, not only for what we did in the School of Allied Health, but the whole institution, the community, for the med school, the School of Allied Health, and School of Graduate Studies. So thank you for being the woman behind the man, because he was always giving of himself to this institution and our community.
We had a plaque engraved to put in the garden here. It says, "In loving memory of Dr. Ike Muslow, who tirelessly supported the mission of LSU Health Shreveport to teach, heal, and discover." And I believe that really does wrap up, in a nutshell, his commitment to this whole institution.